Hey there viewers, welcome to a new episode of Project Ross. I'm William, and today's video we're working again on the K20 Peugeot 205. And in the previous video I left it off with the wiring because that's a big job and not very good at it. But let's continue on that. But first I'm going to show you what I've done off camera. So I've been fitting up some steel wheels because custom wheels is still a bit too expensive for me, so I decided to go with steel wheels and have them widened. I actually have two of them already widened, they're on the way back, so I'll have a fitment video on that probably. And I've done off camera, I did the coolant lines, I had some work on that, and this one's now in, and also done the fuel lines and the rest of it. That's also pretty crucial to get it started, of course. And the rest of it, I've done a whole bunch of wiring. I've got the switch panel, it's the battery's now charging, so I can't demonstrate it now, but I'll show you in another video how all of this stuff works. I've got basically everything connected that I need to start the car. Here's the fuel pump, all the grounds and all the stuff. This goes to the switch panel. This one goes to the ECU and the engine harness. This is the switch and all that stuff. I didn't really film much of it because it's now boring wiring, but I'll explain in a different video how I got it connected and how it works. It's not that hard, and but it needs some attention when you do this. It's a pretty easy software, but you gotta do some experiments with it to get it to work. But I love this ECU Master P16. It's a fantastic piece of engineering, and I love it. And yeah, and basically that's about it. The wiring took a lot of time, and hopefully we're going to start it this video. Actually, probably tonight, so that will be in this video. So let's hope it will start. So right now we're almost ready to finish up everything. We're gonna do some adjustments on the computer, and then we're going to start it up. Cooling down with me, so fingers crossed. So I made some changes, and now the fuel pump is working, as you can hear. Fingers crossed that there is not a leak. Okay, fuel pump is primed. No leaks so far, and I got pressure. Not sure if the pressure is good. I'm going to check that. Google's your friend. Proost.
Je gaat het niet doen. Nou, dat is het luchtcentrum.
No.
Vol.
Fuck. Calculate. This is not fair.
Ja, maar ik wil niet lullig zijn, maar heb je wel iets van massa aan de motor?
Ja, die hangt daarachter.
Waar? Massa.
We zullen nog een paar van bijmaken.
Je moet sowieso eentje in de kop hebben, anders gaat hij het nooit doen.
Oké, dan maak ik het.
Eentje in de bak is niet genoeg.
Oké, dan maak ik even een massa bij. Volgende te werk. Jij bij het gas?
Gas, man!
Oh, here goes nothing.
Doe je? Op heb gewoon geen voor.
Ja, dat moet vallen.
Nou, ik ga. Ik ga iets anders doen. Je draait hem echt niet rond hoor.
Ja, maar zoek even een klein ampère, want deze...
Nee, dat heeft er niks mee te maken. Het is alleen maar een stuurstrookje. Je ampère gaat door je gewoon kabel heen, weet je nog? Deze.
Ja, dat is waar.
Dus dat heeft er niks mee te maken.
This is so crazy. What is happening?
Nou, dat is wel 10 keer beter lijkt wel. pak die plusjes die van de startmotor komt, welke is dat? Nee, die in je hand hebt. Welke is dat? Startmotorkant. Hou die nou eens gewoon hierop. Wat is dat, een plus? Nee, ik krijg geen balans op terug.
Niet terug?
Nee.
Omdat het daar past, hè? Maar
Hoe bedoel je?
het kan makkelijk bevestigen ook, hè?
Nou, ik heb heel veel met
Ja, start in die handel.
Zo, die gaat niet sterk.
Nee, het zou die weer als het zo niet was. Aan, prime.
Alleen even starten pakken hoor, 3 slagen of zo. Keine pomp.
Oh ja, dat is het dus.
Daniel kan de K20 starten met 5 draadjes. Ik wil weten welke 5.
Ja, precies. Jij kan toch een auto van de bedrijf rijden? Nou, ik had 20. Nou, dat is goed.
Praten. Begin met praten en dan hang ik op voordat je al start.
Ja.
Welke kleurtjes? Als je tijd hebt te doen. Hey kerel. Alles lekker? Ja.
Is u aan?
Ik heb nog steeds niks.
Niks?
Geen stroom. Je mag het maar proberen.
Wat? Dat heeft wel dat goed aan de gaat. Fingers crossed.
Dan zit je lang knop.
Nee.
Je moet hier zetten.
Ja, dat is hier ignition signal, dat is wait a minute.
Ignition signal.
Heb ik die wel aangelopen, de ignition signal? Bij connected A staat hij, dus we moeten het op deze zitten.
Oh ja, IGE.
Ja, ik denk dat ik misschien iets heb gevonden.
Ja.
De ignition signal.
Jij hebt ook wel Black Yellow zeker.
Ja, ik kon daar niks vinden wat ik daar nodig had, maar ik zie nu eens ignition signal. Ik denk, hé, wacht eens even.
En dat is een Black Yellow.
Ja. Oh, het is, welke pin is het bij jou? Maar hij is hier nummer 9. Ja, nee. Deze klopt wel. So after a couple times starting, you've seen it's not going to start. I actually think we know there are not enough wires yet. There are some pins that are not connected, so I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to film that because it's pretty boring watching people connecting wires and stuff. But now I'm going to inform you later on. So I finished soldering the wiring in. So what I've basically done is I connected the LG3, a logic ground, and the SG3 sensor ground onto the ground wires from the rest of the car because those weren't connected. And what I've also done is put a extra wire which is, let's see, pin 8, which is connected here by the way, but I don't know, they told me I had to do that. So that one's connected, and also I needed another hot wire, which was, let's see, number 9, IG1. It's the ignition signal. I thought that was connected to the IGP2 and IGP1 power source, but that's not the case. So I'm gonna try to start it now. Fingers crossed it will, but I think we're going to first check out if it actually has spark, because if it doesn't have spark, it's not going to start. So, fingers crossed.
Nou, dat met er ook nog uit. Dan heb je de dikke tap in geblazen.
Hoeveel druk hebben we?
Go.
So, with the failure to start yet again for the so many times, I did some digging, asked some people around, and it turns out that on this connector, this one, on this is the C101 plug, this is the plug number 20. This is supposed to be for the coils, but I thought it was a ground wire, but it turns out it's a hot wire. So maybe that is the reason why it's not starting. Could be. I'm going to try that out. Hopefully it will work. So, the wire is soldered in, so now I'm going to try and start it again. Oh shit! Woo! Oh my god, I'm so happy it started up. Oh man, that's such a good feeling. Phew, I don't know what to say right now. Yeah, I'm actually going to end this video with it because, man, this is probably a short one, but I'm so excited right now. And yeah, man, that was so awesome. It was pretty loud, of course, and I couldn't keep it running for very long because, you know, no radiator stuff, no throttle cable, but god damn, man, I'm so excited. So if you're excited, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Check me out on Garage Amino, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Laters.
So thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these two videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Laters.